What if 2027 became the year you filing your IT certification? Your part is simple, but it requires commitment.
Just remember, at IT Step by Step,
we provide the mock CCNA and cybersecurity study material, certification-style questions and answers, explanations, labs, and practice.
Your part is simple, but it requires commitment. Make time to study. Listen to the material repeatedly. Memorize the concepts.
Practice the Cisco Packet Tracer lab simulation.
Practice.
Test your knowledge. And never stop learning. Become a dedicated IT step-by-step student. Follow our content, participate, answer the questions, and show us how serious you are about changing your future.
We will cover one certification exam of each winner's choice.
Once you have studied, practiced, and are truly ready to take your exam, we will book and pay for your certification test. We provide the material. We provide the practice. We provide the opportunity. All you have to provide is your time, your effort, and your dedication. This is more than following a page. This is your invitation to become an official IT step-by-step student. Your certification journey starts today. Study hard, stay consistent, and prove that you have what it takes to become one of our top 3 students. It's step by step, your effort, your certification, your future.